Good morning, guys. All right, we're going to go ahead and try to code some words using some of those new rules that we learned today, okay? So in our first word, what do you notice? Do we have any of those? Remember, we always check the end for endings or if we have a final stable syllable. I don't have any of those. So let's go ahead and try to code or find our vowels. Are you ready? So I've got an I and I've got an A. And so in between there, I've got consonant, consonant, consonant. So remember, usually we can look and say there are certain letters that stay together, which I know S and T are a blend. So I want to keep them together. So I'm going to break it apart after that first consonant, which usually is where we break it apart anyway. It's just sometimes we can't break apart some of those letters that go together. Okay, so in our first syllable, you already know this syllable. It's just the syllable N. And I know it's going to be a short I because it's got that consonant N behind it. Over here, what do you notice? My vowel is A. It's in front of an N, so it's going to be short. I've got that ST that's going to blend together and say st. So st, ant, stant. So instant, instant. Very good. Okay, and then over here, what do you notice? This has that new digraph that we learned about, doesn't it? It's got AU, so I'm going to underline it because it makes its own sound. It says ah, okay? So I have s, ah. Now look here though. This C is in front of an E. So since it's in front of an E, remember it's going to make the soft C sound. So I'm going to put that little cedilla mark underneath it so I know to make the S sound instead. And then that E is going to be silent. So sauce, sauce. So instant sauce. Okay, what about down here? You guys just know this sight word, but it does have vowel digraph EE in there, so I need to mark it because those two E's are going to say E. So it's going to be a long E and one silent one because we don't say EE, we just say E together. So C, and then what about right here? Well, we know that we act like this apostrophe S isn't even there. It's not part of the word yet of what we're looking for, right? What else do I have? I've got an A in front of an S, right? But look, it's got that sneaky E behind it. So it's going to be A consonant E. So that means that the A is going to be long and that E is going to be silent. So ace, ace. And then I have that CH digraph I need to underline, so ch, ace, chase, very good. And then I have to add that apostrophe A, so chases, chases, very good. So C, chases, and then over here, what do you see? I've got an I and I've got an E with the consonant behind it, so this is that I sneaky E sound. So that I is going to be long. That E is going to be silent, and since it's CE, it's going to be cedilla-C, so ice, nice. C, chases, nice, and then down here, I don't have any endings or anything, so I'm not going to look there. So then I'm going to try to find my vowels. I've got an O and an O with the consonant in between it. So remember, I'm going to break it apart after that first vowel, okay? So now my O is at the end of a syllable, so it doesn't have anything behind it. Remember, that line's acting like a wall, so it's going to be open. So R-O, row, and then over here you've got an O in front of a T, so it's going to be short, so b-ot, robot, very good. So C, chases, nice, robot, and then we had instant sauce. All right, you guys did an awesome job. Thank you.